Ashtavakra Gita, a famous Indian text, a famous scripture in which there is no ritual, no practice of meditation, just pure awareness is taught. This is highest non-dual truth ever told by anyone. Ashtavakra is telling you the highest non-dual truth. Ashtavakra is telling you, you are not your body, you are not your mind. You are beyond all these things. You are eternal witness. You are eternal observer. You are something which is totally non-dual, in which there is no duality at all, and that you already are. But because you are attached to your psychological knowledge and physical things, we all have attachment, the psychological attachment as well as physical attachment, and because we are related to all these things, creating images and labels, that's why we forget ourselves. So now Ashtavakra Gita is telling you, you are not your mind, you are not your body. Now, how do you feel it? Look at it. How do you feel it? That you are not this body, not this mind. I am telling you simple thing, simple practice. Just sit down for a few minutes, close your eyes, and let your thoughts come and go. Don't react over thoughts. Don't even try to see thoughts, watch thoughts. No. Don't rationalize, analyze. Don't make concept, theory about thoughts. Don't try to overcome, oppress, suppress thoughts, resist thoughts. Simply let them come and go. And when thought will come, the body will react. Imagine if a fearful thought comes, the body will react. Imagine a anxiety driven thought came, the body will react. Body feel that. And let the body sensation happen. Now, I am telling you, don't react whatever happening in your mind, and don't react over your bodily sensations. The thought is causing you. So, no thinking, no effort. Just for a few seconds. Close your eyes. And then you will be blank. You will feel nothing. And you will enter into a state in which there is no duality at all. And then from that point, the witness already happens in you. The witness arises in you, which was just folded by all your attachments. Now it's clearly seen. The seer is seen. Now the seer is seen. And then from that witness you will see no duality at all. When you will see a tree, you become the tree. You see a bird, you become the bird. That's what Ashtavakra is telling you. This is highest truth. There is no more duality at all. You become alone. Alone means all one. You become alone. There is no discrimination here and there. There is no coming and going. Just pure awareness. Just pure meditation. Ashtavakra even warns you to all the practices of meditation, all the concentration exercise you do, like focus on your breath, chant a mantra. No. Why are you meditating even? Where you want to go to meditate? What do you want to achieve? You are already there. What do you want to find? You are never lost. The truth is already there. Just you have to see it. You have to see it. Just for a few seconds. Don't think, don't act anything. Don't make any effort. Don't think. And you will see the blank state. That is the pure awareness state. Live in that. Abide in that state. And then you will see the presence, the spaciousness, the pure awareness, the non-dual state. Ashtavakra said it, Sakshi, Drashtabhav, the purity of yours, your real self. You know, Raman Maharshi, he used to speak to people, but whenever someone asks that what should I read, he said, read Ashtavakra Gita if you want to read. So many sages, Ramakrishna, you know, Paramahansa Yogananda, Raman Maharshi, as I told, Osho, Nisargadatta Maharaj, all people have recommended Ashtavakra Gita. And for all you people who are serious in spirituality, wants to know something, I have something beautiful for you. I have organized a course in which there are 24 videos of meditation, awareness, present moment, relationship, fear, suffering, observation, awareness, attachment, learning, silence, freedom from thoughts, truth, who am I, all these topics, including 50 plus guided meditation videos. So you can do this course. You can join this course. My WhatsApp number 9773529489. This number is also given in description. You can join this course and understand life. Thank you very much.